How to change keyboard color on iPhone. To get started, first of all go ahead and open up the Gboard application on your phone. Once you're here, tap on Set up Gboard. Then, tap on Get Started. You will then be taken to the Gboard settings page. Here, go to Keyboards. Turn on the Gboard option at the top. And then, turn on Allow Full Access. Tap on Allow again to confirm. Now, go back and open up the Messages app. In the Messages page, go to the top right corner and tap on the new message icon. Here, go to the text bar below and tap on it to open the keyboard. Then, tap on the icon at the bottom left corner. Select Gboard from here. You are now using the Gboard keyboard. Tap on the Settings key below. Go to Settings again. Over here, tap on Themes. You can now choose a theme for your keyboard from here. Go to the Default section and select the keyboard color that you want. You can also choose the color gradient below. After that, go back to open the Messages app and tap on the new message icon again. As you can see, you have successfully changed the keyboard color. Following these steps, you can easily change keyboard color on iPhone.